Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is rezwan.rono. Subscribe me for future tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to format a USB pen drive. So let's get started. Go to my computer. Let me show you something very important. Right click on the USB pen drive. Go to properties. As you can see, the partition type is FAT32. Click OK. Now right click on it again and go to Format. Select FAT32 here. By default, FAT32 is selected here, so you don't have to worry. Now make sure Quick Format is checked here. Now click on Start and it will automatically start the formatting process. Click OK. So format is complete. My work is done. If you like my videos, make sure to comment down below and make sure to subscribe me.